According to the U.S. Institute for the Study of War, the Russian military has reduced the intensity of using Ka-52 attack helicopters in dealing with enemy counterattacks on the southern and eastern fronts of Ukraine. The reason is said to be because Ukrainian forces are becoming more and more proficient in dealing with this attack helicopter model, according to Insider on September 29th, citing a report from the U.S. Institute for the Study of War. The Ka-52 helicopter, nicknamed Alligator, is an aircraft that appears to have played an important role for Russia in dealing with enemy counterattacks. This is also one of the most effective attack helicopters in the world. British intelligence say these helicopters are one of Russia's most influential single-weapon systems on the front line. However, ISW said that Ukrainian forces appear to have become more proficient in taking down Ka-52 helicopters since mid-August, causing Russian generals to reduce efforts in Zaporozhye province due to concerns about loss of aircraft and pilots. Therefore, Russia mobilized these attack helicopters to conduct more airstrikes in other areas on the front line, including the Kherson and Luhansk, seemingly to compensate for the weakened forces in these areas. The Ka-52 has high mobility, is equipped with thick armor and anti-tank missiles, with a range of about 15 kilometers. Expert Jean Gentile at the RAND Corporation USA said these helicopters help Russia stop Ukrainian tanks at a distance, making Ukrainian air defense system unable to fire back. ISW did not analyze how Ukraine could have shot down more helicopters. However, The Economist last month quoted expert Nico Lange at the Munich Security Conference as saying that Russia had about 100 Ka-52s at the beginning of the campaign, but now it seems there are only 25 left. Defense Express said that the Swedish RBS-70 man-portable air defense systems supplied to Ukraine have proven effective in attacking helicopters. According to Bulgarian military, on August 17, Ukrainian air defense forces successfully intercepted 2 advanced Russian Ka-52 Alligator helicopters. One was brought down using the Swedish RBS-70 manpads. The viral video circulating on platform X, formerly known as Twitter. This use of the RBS-70 manpads, a fact corroborated by video evidence, marks the first tangible proof of Ukraine employing this system in a combat scenario. Ukraine is still trying to penetrate Russia's formidable defense system in the south of Zaporozhye province to reach the strategically important city of Melitopol. Although some progress has been achieved, Ukraine has not yet made a decisive breakthrough. ISW said that Ukraine's ability to deal with the Ka-52 has improved, but Kyiv has not been able to seriously weaken Russia's defense capabilities. Russian forces appear to increasing their use of drones to prevent Ukrainian troops from advancing, while Russian artillery units continue to play a key role in repelling Ukrainian attacks. In a recent development, Russia has unveiled a secret weapon, the upgraded Ka-52M attack helicopter in southern Ukraine. This advanced variant, which had not been previously seen in combat. A notable upgrade in the Ka-52M is the inauguration of the new anti-tank missile MLUR. With this addition, Ka-52 crews can now effectively use extended-range weapons to counter Ukraine's air defense systems, showcasing Russia's intent to dominate the airspace. Russian press reports published in September 2023 show that the Ka-52M helicopter is now equipped with a Venture on-ground radar station to allow it to undertake on-weather, round-the-clock reconnaissance, and target acquisition missions. The Ka-52M attack helicopters will receive a new on-ground radar station operating in the centimeter range. These stations will allow helicopters to detect a wide range of air and ground targets, such as enemy aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, armored vehicles, artillery positions, concentrations of manpower, and other military personnel and objects, including in high-detail radio vision mode, an informed source told Russian state news agency RIA Novosti. According to the source, the Ka-52M will be able to use missiles from the Valkyrie or Israel's 305 family to strike small enemy tank-type targets in conditions of zero optical visibility, using only its target destination data, rather than relying on outside sources for information about the enemy target's coordinates. Additionally, the news agency said in its report that it was told by another source earlier this year that the Ka-52M was now also capable of carrying Israel's 305 missiles. The source told the agency that the Russian military was planning to test the helicopter with the new on-ground radar station system in Ukraine. Although this information could not be independently corroborated, Ukraine has become a testing ground for the latest capabilities by both sides.